Cricketershop is, a cricket-centric brand, which is completely into cricket enthusiastic brand. We deal everything related to cricket. And how this came into picture, like I am a cricketer, my family plays cricket. So at that time, 2012, we started. And we started online from the website cricketershop.com. So at that time, the very idea was there was not a core website of cricket which is just about cricket and deals only into cricket. Since cricket being one of the major sports of India ever since, but we didn't able to find anything online or offline. We had a lot of sports stores, not specific. That was the main idea of Cricketershop. We don't deal in any other sport except cricket. My name is Nitish. I'm the managing director of cricketershop.com. So I start my day, by checking everything about the business development, and mainly I work with the customers. So basic idea is, to serve the cricketers. So Cricketershop is currently into 5 cities now. We can proudly say that we are one of the largest chain of growing cricket stores. To go not only India, to go worldwide with this particular brand, to promote offline and online sales and work with the cricketers to improve in any direction, maybe the product point of view or the customer service point of view or their whole experience with us. We were using a software called Inspire at that time, and the software was, it was okay for the online part, but it didn't give us so much of depth. And the problems we faced were we were not able to get summarized reports. So secondly, in our case, we had multiple warehouses. So one company has 2 warehouses. So that was not the case there. We were just able to get one warehouse at one time. I read an article about Mr. Sridhar Vembu. I was so fascinated to read the article, and the moment I read the article, I saw what this man is currently doing, why is he so influential. Then I came to know that he is the founder of Zoho. And I saw the Zoho website, all the services they cater. And at that time, that was a very good time for us. We were also looking for an inventory software at that time. So I got in touch with Zoho Inventory. They gave me one developer. So he helped me to migrate everything from Inspire to Zoho Inventory. By the help of Excel, I think he exported that and uploaded in our systems. And then we had all the inventory what we had there in our software. For 15 days, every one of us, accounts, sales, and me as well, we are all doing whatever needed to implement it practically. So once that was set up and everybody was sorted, and they had given me an approval, this works for us, then was the time we decided to switch to Zoho Inventory.
Presently हमारी कंपनी में 4 टीम्स हैं जो Zoho Inventory यूज़ कर रही हैं. तो सेल्स टीम जो ऑर्डर्स उनके पास आते हैं वेबसाइट के थ्रू या व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू या बिग कॉमर्स के थ्रू, वो ऑर्डर्स वो Zoho Inventory में पंच करते हैं. एंड देन पैकिंग टीम उस ऑर्डर को पैक करती है और उसको शिप करती है. अकाउंट्स टीम बेसिकली वो उसका इन्वॉइस क्रिएट करती है, कस्टमर से पेमेंट्स जो आई होती हैं उनको रिकॉर्ड करती है. जैसे हमारे कस्टमर्स बिग कॉमर्स पे ऑर्डर्स प्लेस करते हैं तो SKU प्लग्स के थ्रू ऑटोमेटिकली Zoho Inventory से ऑर्डर्स इंटीग्रेट हो जाते हैं. Zoho Inventory से पहले हमें मल्टीपल सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करने पड़ते थे, जिसकी वजह से काम बहुत ज़्यादा कम्बरसम हो जाता था. बहुत सारे डुप्लीकेशन और ट्रिप्लीकेशन ऑफ टास्क होते थे और हम उसमें इन्वेंट्री भी ठीक से मैनेज नहीं कर पाते थे. फॉर एग्जांपल समटाइम्स फिजिकल स्टॉक डिफरेंट होता था एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू सॉफ्टवेयर स्टॉक डिफरेंट आता था, और हमें पेमेंट्स रिकॉर्ड करने में बहुत ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम होती थी. वेंडर्स की पेमेंट्स हो, कस्टमर्स की पेमेंट्स हो, वो सब चीज़ें हमें रिकॉर्ड करने में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती थी. जब ऑर्डर्स Zoho Inventory से इंटीग्रेट होते हैं, दैन उनकी इन्वॉइसिंग भी Zoho Inventory पे हो सकती है. शिपमेंट्स, पैकेजेस, ऑल दैट प्रोसेसेस कैन बी डन ऑन सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म.
Well, we as Cricketershop are not the manufacturers of any cricket equipment. We are the traders. So as soon as the stock comes in, we match it to the original PO and generate the barcodes by using Zoho Inventory. Then we stock up all our warehouses, and then we have the transfer IDs. We transfer it to one warehouse to second warehouse. Here at this location we have 2 warehouses. So we use a lot of transferation. And then at the third point, as soon as the order comes in, we generate the packing slip by using Zoho Inventory, and then the order is shipped from the warehouse in the final process.
उसको हमें एक ऑर्डर को प्रोसेस करने में से 15 to 20 मिनट्स लगते थे, बट ज़ोहो इन्वेंट्री में सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म है, सारे प्रोसेसेस हमें एक ही जगह पे हम परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं, हमें कोई भी टास्क मल्टीपल टाइम्स नहीं करना पड़ता. दैट इज़ वाई वी कैन प्रोसेस अ सेल्स ऑर्डर इन लेस देन 5 minutes.
Zoho Inventory has helped us with the reporting part, overall reporting part. Now we can see which salesperson is generating what sales, and that help us, to the overall performance to track every employee.
मैं अकाउंट्स टीम से हूँ, तो मेरे लिए मोस्ट फ्रीक्वेंटली यूज्ड पार्ट रहता है रिपोर्टिंग सेक्शन. तो रिपोर्टिंग सेक्शन में हम कई तरह की रिपोर्ट्स जनरेट कर सकते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल अकाउंट्स रिसीवेबल्स, जो हमें कस्टमर से पेमेंट्स रिसीव करनी है, वो उसकी रिपोर्ट्स हम जनरेट कर सकते हैं. एंड अकाउंट्स पेएबल्स, जो हमें वेंडर्स को पेमेंट्स करनी है, उसकी रिपोर्ट जनरेट कर सकते हैं. सेल्स रिपोर्ट, इनवॉइस रिपोर्ट्स हम जनरेट कर सकते हैं. एंड द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग इज़ हम उन रिपोर्ट्स को कस्टमाइज़ भी कर सकते हैं. जो मैं पर्सनली रेगुलरली मेंटेन करता हूँ रिपोर्ट, वो है वेयर हाउस रिपोर्ट, सो दैट हमें ये पता चले किस वेयर हाउस में कितना स्टॉक है एंड व्हाट इज़ अवर री ऑर्डर पॉइंट, हमें कितना और हमें री ऑर्डर करना है. सो दैट दीज रिपोर्ट्स हेल्प मी इन डे टू डे ट्रांजेक्शंस.
Secondly, I'm able to see everything on my phone. So wherever I am, I'm able to see what is the kind of performance we are having on a daily basis. And third, the transfer of orders has been really, really simple for us. So we can, see which warehouse has what, and we can have reorders point set. So we can order all the inventory before, it runs out of stock. So the replenishing part of that has really been, very easy for us. Whatever SKUs we are not able to sell and see exactly, they have been pending in our stores, lying in our stores for quite long. We are able to sell those. We can see those, identify those, and sell online faster. So that itself is a cost reduction for us. The dashboard of Zoho is very simple. We can exactly see which order is shipped, packed, and what is not packed, what is pending. So we can exactly see in one single screen, and we can, tell our warehouse manager or the concerned person that this particular order is pending. So that has helped us to generate orders and, ship them at a faster speed. So all this activity has able to generate more sales for us, because our timeline has reduced to, earlier it was 7 days and now it is 3 days. 6 months back, we had a very particular problem related to, we had to bill us on the basis of cost price, a certain percentage for a special set of customers. So I got in touch with the Zoho Inventory team. I told him, okay, this is the problem. They told me, okay, give us 7 days, we'll get back to you. So on the 7th day, we had an online conference call. They implemented all the details on our systems, and they showed me exactly how that can be done. And we are able to generate 1 SO orders on the basis of that workflow. So everything came out very nicely and the way we needed it. Zoho Inventory for us is about helping build better businesses.